Welcome back to our channel. We hope you will have a wonderful learning experience here with us. You can download and listen to these audiobooks at your preferred time. Chapter 8: Collaborative Cooperative Partnerships with Stakeholders. An individual or an institute cannot do everything they want for the success of inclusiveness. They require collaboration and partnership. Collaborative is becoming an effective team player for the intended success. Collaboration, referred to as collaborative consultation, cooperative planning, implementation, assessment, co-teaching, and any kind of team-based services or community of practice. It has potential to create synergy where the whole is greater than the sum of the parts. It has the potential to provide opportunities for you to learn new ways of addressing barriers to learning, working, living, and for colleagues to learn from each other. Collaboration should be with all human beings for the success of inclusiveness. Collaboration should be based on avoiding stereotype thinking that discriminate or undermine the capacities of human being, demands equality, equity, and creating mutual respect. Besides collaboration, cooperation is also vital for human being to meet life goal. By the end of this unit you will be able to define collaboration, partnership, and stakeholder, identify key elements of successful collaboration, describe the benefits and challenges of collaboration for various stakeholders for the success of inclusion, discuss the strategies for effective co-planning and team working, identify characteristics of successful partnerships, and design strategies for community involvement. Think about the following activities before moving on. 1. What is collaboration from your own understanding? 2. Have you ever created collaboration with people? For what purpose? What have you achieved? 3. What was the successful of your collaborations? 4. What will be your future collaboration? Collaboration is defined as the act of working together to produce or create something according to the capacities and abilities of individuals. Each individual's collaboration is based on his knowledge and skills. A person should not be discriminated due to mismatch with other people's abilities because he has his own quality and other perspectives. Collaboration means to work with another person or group in order to accomplish intended goals. Collaboration provides every team member with equal opportunities to participate and communicate their ideas. Collaboration in the workplace is when two or more people, often groups, work together through idea sharing and thinking to accomplish a common goal. It is simply teamwork taken to a higher level. The phrase "putting our heads together" would be a good example of this important element of collaboration. Collaboration enables individuals to work together to achieve a defined and common business purpose. It exists in two forms: synchronous, where everyone interacts in real time, as in through telephone, email, online meetings, through instant text messages, or via Viber, and the team sees value in working together as the common goal gives them a meaningful reason to work together, along with receiving mutual benefits for the institution as well as the team. The advantages of collaboration can also be seen in terms of individual output. Creating a sense of teamwork and building bonds encourages team members to work for the collective rather than just themselves. Can you mention some important experiences of collaboration in your community? What are the important elements of collaboration in your community? What is your intention to create collaboration with people in your life? Key elements of successful collaboration. The relationship includes a commitment to mutual relationships and goals, a jointly developed structure and shared responsibility, mutual authority and accountability for success, and sharing of resources and rewards. A collaboration checklist. What factors are helping or hindering your collaboration efforts? We've got the 4 most important elements of teamwork to help you build a team that will lead your company to success. Respect. This one should be a no-brainer. Communication. While respect is probably the most important element of teamwork, communication is the tool that will generate that respect. Delegation. Support. To kick off our All About Collaboration series, we consider the nature of successful collaboration, its benefits, and what is needed within an organization for it to flourish. Collaboration in the workplace is when two or more people work together through idea sharing and thinking to achieve a common goal. Here are a few qualities that a successful team possesses. 1. They communicate well with each other. 2. They focus on goals and results. 3. Everyone contributes their fair share. 4. They offer each other support. 5. Team members are diverse. 6. Good leadership. 7. They're organized. 8. They have fun. General principles of collaboration. Establish clear common goals for the collaboration. Define your respective roles and who is accountable for what, but accept joint responsibility for the decisions and their outcomes. Take a problem-solving approach with the sense that all those in the collaborative arrangement share ownership of the problem and its solution. Establish an atmosphere of trust and mutual respect for each other's expertise. Aim for consensus decision-making. Ask for and give immediate and objective feedback to others in a non-threatening and non-judgmental manner. Give credit to others for their ideas and accomplishments. Develop procedures for resolving conflicts and manage these processes skillfully. Better still, anticipate possible conflicts and take steps to avoid them as far as possible. This is not to say that disagreements can, or even should, be avoided. Arrange periodic meetings to review progress in the collaborative arrangements. What are the advantages of collaboration? Higher employee productivity. The advantages of collaboration can also be seen in terms of individual output. Creating a sense of teamwork and building bonds encourages team members to work for the collective rather than just themselves. Benefits of collaboration. Greater efficiency and less duplicated effort. Access to additional resources or lower costs through sharing resources such as office space, administration or other aspects of an organization's operation. Improved service coordination across agencies, with better pathways or referral systems for service users. Challenges to team collaboration. Indecisive decision makers. Ironic, isn't it? E-fail. This is a little term used for when email straight up fails. Missing communication. When collaborating, there is always room for misinterpretation and miscommunication. Process sinking versus process sinking. Too many cooks. Negative Nancy. Cooperativeness. Cooperation is one of the components of collaboration. As an adjective, cooperative describes working together agreeably for a common purpose or goal, as in cooperative play or cooperative employee. As a noun, a cooperative is a jointly owned business or enterprise where members pool their resources to purchase, do work, and/or distribute things. Cooperativeness helps individuals to willingly learn from each other. Learners work together in small groups, helping each other to carry out individual and group tasks. Interdependence. All group members seek to achieve a group goal and help each other's achievement. Individual accountability. Each member of the group is held responsible for his or her own learning, which in turn contributes to the group goal. Cooperation. The learners discuss, problem-solve and collaborate with each other. Face-to-face interaction and establish consensus and evaluation. Members of the group review and evaluate how they worked together and make changes as needed. It requires interdependence, which can take one or more forms that help to create inclusiveness. 1. Goal interdependence. The group has a single goal. 2. Reward interdependence. The whole group receives acknowledgement for achieving the goal. 3. Resource interdependence. Each group member has different resources, knowledge or materials, that must be combined to complete a task. 4. Role interdependence. Each group member is assigned a different role, e.g., leader, reporter, timekeeper. In cooperative learning and works, the strategies for effective co-planning and team working are very important. The following steps will help you and your group to work effectively together. 1. Have clear objectives. 2. At each stage you should try to agree on goals. 3. Set ground rules. 4. Communicate efficiently. 5. Build consensus. 6. Define roles. 7. Clarify your plans, process and achievements all the time. 8. Keep good records. 9. Stick to the plan. Stakeholder. A stakeholder is any person, organization, social group, or society at large that has a stake in the business. Thus, stakeholders can be internal or external to their business. A stake is a vital interest in the business or its activities. Be both affected by a business and affect a business. A business is any organization where people work together. In a business, people work to make and sell products or services. A business can earn a profit for the products and services it offers. The word business comes from the word busy, and means doing things. It works on a regular basis. All human beings can participate in any kind of business equally without discrimination based on their disability, culture, language, religion, gender, rural, urban and the like. Stakeholders can affect or be affected by the organization's actions, objectives and policies. Some examples of key stakeholders are creditors, directors, employees, government, and its agencies, owners, shareholders, suppliers, unions, and the community from which the business draws its resources. In business, a stakeholder is usually an investor in your company whose actions determine the outcome of your business decisions. Stakeholders don't have to be equity shareholders. They can also be your employees, who have a stake in your company's success and incentive for your products to succeed. Take a moment to perform the following activities. 1. Do people have stakeholders in their daily business? Please describe from your community's perspective. 2. Do these stakeholders meet their goals? How? 3. Do you have stakeholders in your university experiences? Who are they? 4. Explain the benefits and challenges of collaboration for various stakeholders for the success of inclusive life. Roles of stakeholders in a project. Stakeholders are usually parties who have a stake in a project and have a great influence on its success or failure. They may be equity or preference shareholders, employees, the government agencies, contractors, financial institutions, competitors, suppliers and the general public. What are the benefits of stakeholder participation? Provide all stakeholders with full opportunities to share their views, needs and knowledge on flood management. Build consensus through bringing together a diverse range of stakeholders to share needs, information, ideas and knowledge and harmonizes the objectives of individual groups to reach common societal goals. Characteristics of successful stockholders partnerships. Existence of an agreement. Partnership is the outcome of an agreement between two or more persons to carry on business or offer services for the community. Sharing of profits or stratification for the services offered to the community. Establishing equal and equitable relationship. Membership without discrimination. Nature of liability. Fusion of ownership and control. Non-transferability of interest. Trust. Without trust there can be no productive conflict, commitment, or accountability. Common values. I believe that having common values is the very foundation of the successful partnership. Defined expectations. Mutual respect. Synergy and great two-way communications. What makes a good strategic alliance partner? They have a similar audience. They are not your competitors. They can give you access to new customers and prospects. They want to work with you and they want something you can offer. What qualities make for a great business partner? Passion, reliability, compatibility, the ability to build strong relationships, fiscal responsibility, creativity, open-mindedness and comfort with risk. What are the main features of a partnership? Participants describe the right partnership behaviors principally as being effective coordination and sharing, and a set of personal skills and qualities including good listening, clear communication, honesty, patience, enthusiasm, acceptance and love. A strategic alliance implies that the success of the alliance impacts one or more major business or service goals. The success of the alliance develops or reinforces a core competency, especially one which provides a competitive advantage or blocks a competitive threat. Strategies for community involvement. Inclusive development. Commit to participation of all persons with diversities. Establish non-discriminative effective communication with all people with diverse background. Expect to do most of the work yourself following the inclusive principle. Tap into local networks, culture and indigenous experiences of inclusiveness. And use all possible communication channel including sign language for deaf people. Community development is about the inclusive involvement of all people, regardless of their diversities, enhancing equality, respecting their full right in terms of educational opportunities and employability, the creation of opportunities to enable all members of a community to actively contribute to and influence the development process and to share equitably in the fruits of any development endeavors. Participation has an intrinsic value for participants and a catalyst for further development. Encourages a sense of responsibility, guarantees that a felt need is involved, ensures things are done the right way, uses valuable indigenous knowledge, frees people from dependence on other skills and makes people more independent and productive. This is the end of the last chapter of Inclusiveness Education. Feel free to listen to this audiobook again if you are unsure of anything. Visit our channel for more audio tutorials. Thank you for reading with us.